Hi, hello, வணக்கம் and welcome back. 9th Standard English, Unit 1 Poem, Stopping by Woods on a Snowy Evening by Robert Frost. Warm up. Have you ever traveled through a forest? How did you feel? Did you have any time to stop and enjoy the beauty of the forest? Whose woods these are, I think I know. His house is in the village though. He will not see me stopping here to watch his woods fill up with snow. My little horse must think it cure to stop without a farmhouse near. Between the woods and frozen lake, the darkest evening of the year, he gives his harness bells a shake to ask if there is some mistake. The only other sounds the sweep of easy wind and downy flake. The woods are lovely, dark and deep, but I have promises to keep, and miles to go before I sleep, and miles to go before I sleep. About the author, Robert Frost, 1874 to 1968, was an American poet noted for his realistic description of rural life. Born on 26 March 1874, he spent his first 40 years as an unknown entity. He received 4 Pulitzer Prizes for poetry and was a special guest at President John F. Kennedy's inauguration. Frost became a poetic force and the unofficial poet laureate of the United States. Some of his famous works are The Road Not Taken, West Running Brook, Mending Wall, After Apple Picking, etc. Do you know Jawaharlal Nehru, the former Prime Minister of India, had the last 2 lines of this poem written in black letters and placed it on his desk, as these lines reminded him of his responsibilities. Glossary: Queer, strange, odd. Woods, an area of land covered with a thick growth of trees. Harness, straps and fittings by which a horse is fastened to a cart or carriage. Frozen in ice form. Sweep, to move swiftly and smoothly. Downy, soft and fluffy. Flake, a small piece of snowflake. Thank you.